Okay, well, thank you everybody for coming. We're so excited you guys can be here for Kevin's Welcome Home Birdie Party, and also for the kickoff launch of the Nubs Squad. So, yay! So all the people you see here are, well, some of the people that we're working with, these are volunteers who rescued Nubs. Yay! And a lot of the other birds. So a lot of the more troubled birds live with the people that you see today. A lot of Nubs flocks live with these people today. And to me, these are the huge hero of the whole thing. And so thank you so much for letting me be part of that with you guys. And I'm going to cry. We are really, really looking forward now to volunteering and giving all this back. So this really launched something I think really special in our friendships and our relationships with these birds. And now it's time to take that and give and give and give. So we're really excited about the Nubs store, and we're excited about the Nubs Squad, and we're going to go out and we're going to do a lot of good, right? Right. Yeah. So Kirsten got me something that I'm supposed to open in front of everybody. Yeah. Super embarrassing. This is Kirsten that everybody sees on the site. And this is Uncle George. Live. He really exists. I didn't make it up.
Don't drop that, okay?
I will not drop this.
It is fragile, as they said in the Christmas movie.
Fragile.
It's Italian, it's fragile.
It's fragile, that's right. I wrapped it up really hard for you.
I can tell that. And we got bubble wrap.
I got 2 more wraps.
Oh, drink action.
Now we gotta be really careful, huh?
Alright.
And I'm sorry we can't bring Nubs outside. He's inside
He's resting.
chilling out a little bit. But we have lots of pictures where you can say hi to Nubs anytime you want to, my friend. Go Nubs.
Do you
We
need
got
an
lots of
X-Acto knife?
pictures that we will post later of Nubs with everybody. Yeah,
I
Nubs.
wouldn't let Bob wrap that because it would be a lot worse if he wrapped that.
What do we have? Oh my god, no, I'm gonna cry. It's Nubs! Oh my god! Get a close up!
The one and only!
Did you make this?
No.
You had this made?
commissioned it for you.
Look at the Nubs!
Did you get a picture of him?
Oh my god, let me give you a hug. Thank you so much.
Oh my gosh. The one and only.
Oh. Here we go, guys. It all starts from here.
Yay!
Nubs, the one and only.
And cut.